enjoyed helping Isaac with this case. Isaac is an extremely nice guy. He came into our office and he was very concerned. He was a career offshore worker, very high wage earner. He was already getting longshore benefits. And what happened was he was trying to do a personnel transfer. He was trying to transfer from a small platform in the Gulf onto a boat. And the transfer rope itself was not proper on the small platform. More importantly, the boat essentially pulled out of the way. But what happened next was there was no deckhand on the boat itself. And so Isaac was left with a horrible choice of either trying to tread water, or what he did was his best option was to swim back to the platform, where he had to hold on and maintain himself while another boat took a good 20 or 30 minutes to come over and rescue him, because that boat had a proper deckhand on it. So Isaac was stuck with a horrible choice. He was injured while he was waiting, while he was in the Gulf. He was getting beat up against the platform. He had injuries for which he received a lot of treatment. But he came in already with a package together of getting workers' comp benefits. So he knew he was getting his checks every 2 weeks. He also knew, though, that there was something else wrong, more serious, and that he needed help with the case against the boat company and the platform owner, both of which we named in his case, and from which we collected very good money for Isaac, and Isaac could not have been more happy with the settlement. All through Isaac's case, he really struggled with how he was going to provide for his family. And that is a common theme we see with a lot of our clients. Isaac was wonderful. He would email us regularly. We'd respond right back to him. He would stress a lot, which is understandable. He'd send us an email where he was very anxious, and then we'd talk with him, and then he'd sort of calm down. And we didn't blame him for any of that. We understood it was a horrible time he was going through with his company. But that is a kind of common thread that we see with a lot of our clients. They're very anxious. They have a lot of open-ended questions about how things will be handled in the future. We're very happy that Isaac got great answers to those questions. He's really set up now with financially. He's very set up. He's been a wonderful client. We walked him through the process. I think he appreciated that. He's a really good guy, and we're very happy that it worked out well for him and his family. I know he cares deeply about his family, and that was one of the most important parts of this case for him.